Our previous video on searching Gale historical newspapers looked at using the advanced search. In this video, we will focus on using the topic finder and term frequency tools. The topic finder is a great tool students can use to construct more nuanced research topics, and it can be found on the top search bar here. When we click on it, we're taken to the topic finder page. Here, we can enter our search term to find related terms that commonly occur in relation to it. This can be a helpful starting point in the early stages of research and help students to uncover hidden connections between different topics. So if we take the social and cultural impacts of World War II as our topic and the Blitz as our focus, we simply type the Blitz into the search bar and hit search. Our tile diagram then appears. Depending on what you prefer, you can also view to select the diagram as a wheel. The presentation of results in this way makes it a great visual research tool. The diagram displays the words and subjects that are found most often in relation to our search term, showing other topics that we may not have thought of. If we want to find out more about a topic, such as play, we can click on the tile and the relevant publications that these search terms appear in are displayed on the right, which we can simply click on to view. This article, "The Bard Beats the Blitz," is a great contextual source providing information on the social context of the Blitz and wartime life. Another search tool we can use is the term frequency option, which can again be found on the top search bar here. This is a great tool that shows the changing importance of a particular concept over the years. This helps students to gain an insight into how individuals, events, and ideas have interacted and developed over time. In the term box here, we'll enter the Blitz. We'll then enter our year range as 1939 to 1945. Here we can refine by content type, and here we can choose whether we want to track the frequency or popularity of our search term. And here we can refine by product categories. We can then press search. As you can see, down here the number of publications that refer to the Blitz have been mapped onto the graph over the time period we've entered. We can add multiple other search terms to our frequency graph, which are mapped on the same graph for easy comparison. For example, we may want to compare the Blitz with blackouts. So we simply add another row and click search. As you can see, the two search terms have been mapped onto the same graph, which allows us to see the interaction between the two search terms and to identify trends. To view the specific number of documents for a particular date period, we click on the data point. As you can see, in 1941 there were the most articles covering the Blitz, with a total of 2,020, and we can simply click on that data point to view them all. Up here we also have the option to print or export the graph. I hope this was useful in showing you how to use the search tools on Gale historical newspapers. Make sure you watch our other video on how to use the advanced search, which is linked below. To search Gale historical newspapers for yourself, request a free 14-day trial from JCS Online Resources.